Hey, what's happening, guys? Today we're reviewing the Tonor microphone. It's like $50 on Amazon, but yeah, man, let's check it out. Let's open it up. Open it up. All right, so we got the instructions here. All these instructions. All right. We got the pop filter. All right. We got shock mount. Nice, not bad. Got the windscreen. And it comes with the arm. What is this? Oh, this is the clamp right here. The USB cable. And we got the mic. Oh damn, that shit's sturdy. That shit. Alright. Hey, that actually look nice. Alright, so I'm gonna hook it up real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what it's looking like right now. Took maybe about 2 minutes. Pretty simple. But yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys see that. Sorry about that. But yeah, let's hear our sound. This is me recording on the new mic. Hello, mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can hear the difference or not, but yeah, let me try putting on this wind sock. Wind sock on. Alright, hello, mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let me try putting this on. Hello. Peter Piper picked up Becco. Alright, yeah, I'm not sure if you guys tell the difference or not. But yeah, it also has these buttons right here. Hello. Let me go down. Go down again. Keep going down. Hello. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys hear me or not, but yeah. Hello. Yo. Hello, brother. Yeah, I think I'm at 100 right now. I'm gonna turn it back down. Alright, hello. Yeah, man, but overall, it's a pretty neat mic. It came with everything, $50. It came with the arm. You got the mount, the windsock, and you got the pop screen right here. Double layer too. And the mic's pretty much good quality too. Do a little ASMR. Hello. Hello, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's enough of this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, if y'all think it's a good mic, maybe not. Just let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And if y'all like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And that's it for today, folks.